Hey YouTube, what up? In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make file dialogues more advanced and more approachable and just make things a lot more easier. So let's go ahead and get this started. So in the previous tutorial, what I taught you guys how to do was how to save a file and how to open up a file with the file dialog. Now literally all we're doing is changing some things with the code. This is going to be really quick and simple, you guys. So for a file name, when we're saving the file, if we want a default file name, we can just type it right in there and we can say YouTube 1. And then when we go to open up a file, if we want it to be quick and easy to open up that file, we just type in YouTube 1. And we can even create another filter. So if we want to, we can put one of these, and then we can put, I would believe, should be able to put all files, and then put the star, then the dot, then the star. And that should honestly work, and then we can copy and paste that for the for the open. And then we can go ahead and run this and see how fast we can get this to work. So let's say we save a file. Just name it YouTube. We hit save to, and we actually just hit a error. So text files. So this is actually going to give us the code that we really do need. So let's go ahead and break the project and let's stop it. Let's go ahead and paste this code right into here. So the code that actually needs to happen is all files within parentheses a star dot star and then a line and then a star dot star again. And then we're going to go ahead and paste this code down here just as well. What this is going to say is that we have several filters that we can add into our project here. So if we save a file named YouTube01 and we save it, and we want to save it here, we just hit save and then yes. When we open it, all we have to do is literally hit enter and then we have it right there. Now let's say we want to change this to O2 and we hit save and hit enter, left and enter, and then quickly then open it with just hitting enter. So this actually makes the process a lot more quick because you don't have to type in a file name. However, you do have to overwrite that file. Now we can also get into something to check to see if that file exists. So before any of this even pops up, we write the file. Actually, we're going to have to get into that later. We can't actually get into that right now because we haven't done the next tutorials, which is saving and opening files without an open file dialog. So we'll get into that into the next tutorial. So that's going to have to be the end of this video. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next tutorial. And just a friendly tip, you can add more filters. All you have to do is literally go like, copy it, and then you can paste it. And then, so for this all files, we could actually change this to K22 files, for example. So K22 files, then those are KMGT. Actually, for this one, you don't put that extra star there. No, you put the star there. You don't put the star after it, though. And then we have these three filters which we can select from. So when we start up the application and we click open from, we then have our options right there, which is great, you guys. So that's all for this video. See you guys next time. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and please watch the next tutorials as they will benefit you in your programming.